So an update on this RM250, I just took it for a rip and did not like what I just saw on the case. So that's coolant and oil mixing together, creating like a milkshake because the water pump is toast. And I did replace that, but the way I did it is tapped it in a little and must have fucked up the seal. And obviously the coolant's getting into the oil, which is bad. I wouldn't want to run that anymore, obviously, but I just drained the oil. Actually, I'll show you that. So yeah, that's what it looks like. Pretty bad. And it sucks because this thing was just finished. I just finished everything on it. Put about like $2,200 in total, like how much I bought it for plus the parts, which is a lot of money and a lot of time with the frame and everything. So it sucks because where the water pump is on these is you got to split the case, because there's no, as you can see, there's no water pump on this side. Usually on most bikes like this YZ here, you got a water pump and you could just replace the seal in here, or just you take off this clutch cover case. But with this one, the water pump is literally on the other side. See where that hose is going? That's going straight in the water pump. And I had this case split before to do the water pump and the bottom end bearings. So that's where it is. Back there. And you gotta split the case to do that water pump seal, which I bought. I'm gonna have to buy again. And hopefully those gaskets seal, you know, so. It sucks because everything was perfect. This thing was a monster. Like, I rode it, it was crazy how much power and torque it had. But yeah, I guess I'm gonna start stripping it down and get a new water pump for it. And hopefully I could get it to seal this time. Alright, took the cylinder off. Most of the engine bolts, I just got one here, then the swing arm. I'm trying to think what else. Just the clutch cable, then this engine could come out. So I'm just gonna leave everything else how it is. Usually I take everything apart, but it's just, you know, there's no need for it because I already ran through the whole bike and did everything. So yeah, that sucks. Gotta order up that water pump seal and try to get that thing in perfect and pray that the gaskets seal again, and I don't know, maybe put some RTV on them, clean them. Just hope and pray this thing works a second time because all the money and time I put into it.